Hi, this is Gary Kay. We are at InfoComm 2022, and I'm here in the outside of the Exertis booth, the Exertis Almo booth, and I'm here with Eric Sikora of LG. Eric, one of the coolest new products that LG has, like everyone knows LG, everyone, the OLEDs, the LCDs, the LEDs, the transparent LED, y'all have so many cool products. The one thing nobody knows LG has is collaboration boards. This is a collaboration board. This is a 55-inch, they have a 43-inch, 75-inch coming. When you first launch it, it's got a Windows 10 embedded, right?
Windows 10 Enterprise IoT on board, so integrated into the back of the display with accessible inputs and outputs.
Yeah, and it looks just like a regular monitor when you first turn it on. But check this out. Hidden here is a camera. Make that thing work.
Yep.
Here you go. Hit that.
This is a privacy lens on the camera. Basically, anytime that you open it up an camera application, or if you're muting your camera in a Zoom call, it's going to open and close that.
So you don't have to put tape on it. You know how people put tape on their, yeah.
Yeah, and then as well, if the camera closing wasn't enough for you, we also have status lights in the top right, which allow you to see quickly whether your camera's on or if your PC's on.
Right, so this is a full collaboration board. It's a Windows 10 Enterprise on it, right? Right. All right, which means that we can do Teams, we can do Zoom, we can do whatever we want to do, but it also does annotation, right?
Correct, it does annotation. You can annotate within any application. It doesn't come preloaded with anything other than the base Windows whiteboard, but that's the beauty of it. The flexibility is where this shines, where some are linked to a single application or a single use. This has the flexibility to install any application that you might already use for whiteboarding, and also any collaboration application. So instead of locking into Zoom Room or Team Room or a Google Meet room, you have the ability to do all of them with any of your clients.
Right, and so here we can use a browser. It runs just like a regular PC. In fact, doesn't it have USB-C connectivity to it as well if you're in room?
Correct,
And
USB-C connectivity, Miracast, so you can share content directly from your laptop as long as it's on the same network. And you also have the ability to plug in additional devices. So if you have a room PC or another device that you want to plug into the HDMI port, you can swap the inputs and then have a dual-use display outside of the collaboration and video conferencing.
Right, and of course, Microsoft Whiteboard is built in. Oh, there you go. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's a PC. You got to remember, it's got an onboard computer in here. Again, this comes at 55 inches, 43 inches, soon to be a 75-inch, right? Correct. Is that right? Soon to be a 75. And this is designed. Oh, you know what? You know what the problem is? We are not on the network. I forgot about that. We're not on the network, so we're going to have problems with that. But this is a fully compatible collaboration board, but this is not the only collaboration product you came out with. You have a couple of other collaboration products as well.
We do. This is the flagship of that line, the One Quick series. There's also a One Quick Flex, which is a 43-inch version of this. It comes with a slightly downgraded camera, and it fits more into your 2-3 person huddle space, and comes with a stand that allows you to rotate it into portrait annotation.
All right, good, excellent. Check it all out at lg.com. We can give you the big long URL, but you go to LG.com and then select commercial products, then select collaboration, you'll see it there. Or of course you can go to Exertis Almo, whatever their URL is now. I'm not exactly sure, I think it's exertisalmo.com actually, I think. But in any case, Eric, I really appreciate you joining me today. We're here at InfoComm 2022. We're actually going around the whole Exertis booth. We're shooting videos on everything that's here, but I wanted you all to see this collaboration board, 4K camera, I don't know what the 120-degree field of view, I think, something like that. Is that right?
Yeah, it's IPS.
So IPS.
Created IPS, and that's 178.
178 IPS then. All right, and so obviously you got some AI going on in here, so my head doesn't look weird. Is my bald spot? Is there a bald spot in here yet?
It also has a built-in 10 microphone speaker, so that the display doesn't need additional microphones in a room. It's good to about 6 meters.
So it's got a full mic array in as well, and speakers built into it. Yeah, so this is a fully functional collaboration board. Check it out. You knew LG made all these other display products, didn't know they make a collaboration board. This is it. Thanks for watching.